Alright people, welcome back for another Garage Night. Get some welding done tonight, so sit back, relax and enjoy. Boys and girls, that's us finished for tonight. We've got it on the jig, so I've still got to get it the right level yet, but it's on, so that's the main thing. It does turn, so it's looking no bad. Looking no bad.
Floor looks bra.
You can see the floor there. We'll finish off the welds in here too. Get the holes over there just to plug weld them up. It has been done, obviously it's been done on this side, as you can see. And there. And then again.
Previous episode.
Oh yes, on the previous episode. And then that's what I've done temporarily under the car. So obviously I need to get it finished off in here. And in there, all the bits around on here. And the closing panels as well. Dress all these up, get them all cleaned up and all the rest of it. Ready for the old primer and the old stone chip and that, and seam sealer. Got that as well, yeah. Got that first eye. It's all been primed in here as well, behind here and behind all that and that. So that's all been done. Same with that. They've all been primed beforehand, before they went on. So the floor looks good too. It looks immaculate. I'm happy with that. Like, superb. Absolutely brilliant, man. Absolutely brilliant. And I've done this side as well. Managed to get that done. This side. I've got the other side to do yet.
It does look good.
So I managed to get that in. So I've got the other side to do. And then obviously I can get into there now as well to get those wee panels in there. And then bits and pieces in here. So we get along the bottom there too. So it makes it it just makes life a lot easier now to finish off all the welding on that. So hopefully the window will be here probably next week, hopefully. But like I say, that'll keep us going now for next week. I'll maybe dodge away with it and film it and see what else is even done. Catch up on the wee bits and pieces, as you know yourself. You miss bits and pieces, so just go for the snagging list and all that before we do anything else. So I hope you've enjoyed what you've seen tonight. Okay, it's not been very productive, but you know, it had to get done. So it makes a lot, like I said, it makes life a lot easier for us for next week. So thanks for watching again, and we'll catch you again next week. Bye for now.